Okay, so I'm just gonna do some cleaning here. Voy a hacer un poco de limpieza acá nomás. From here, actually, tomato plants are going crazy. Oh, that wasn't it. Is this one? No, Kronos. Acá. See? Too much. More here. I don't want the plants to focus on the next level. I just want them to start growing here. To grow here, not above that. But for that, the plant needs to be like determined, and these are undetermined. La especie o la variedad de la planta tiene que ser determinada y no indeterminada como esta que sigue creciendo hasta que se le ocurra parar en el fondo. Undetermined, just keep growing and growing for as long as their environment is good. Mientras el medio ambiente sea bueno para ellas, esas plantas siguen creciendo. Let's cut this also. Okay, fucked it up. There's also like a pot with nutrients, like a hydroponic one. I bought a pot hydroponico that doesn't have a plant, so maybe we'll just get a clone. See this long shit. I don't want anything to be. No quiero nada que crezca tan largo. Salga acá, botón, ya. Salga. No, nada de miau. Salga. So, okay. So this is what's gonna happen. So, we're trying to clean, right? Estamos tratando de limpiar, estamos tratando de que las cosas queden, que tengan mejor crecimiento. We're trying to guide the plant. So I know we're gonna miss some growth here. Because I just don't like the way they're growing. Ya no me gusta cómo están creciendo. They started pretty bad, so maybe it's even easier to just get rid of them. Even like I said, if they have tomatoes. Pero nos cortará. Estoy diciendo que no hace rato. Yeah, look at this. It's pretty messy. I mean, I could use this as a clone. Probably will. Just like, look at how it's growing. That's it. It's going from there, but it's all over the place. So I don't like this either. Yeah, I'm gonna end up with no plants, I know. But I want them to get a better shape. So if that takes me 2 months, that's fine. Process of cleaning, reshaping, restarting. Pero no salga, por favor. Ya. Después viene a jugar acá, ¿ya? Ya. Okay, the skinny branch that gives me growth, just give something just at the end. Even if you have flowers, have something at least way cleaner than you. And I'm pretty sure like everything here with todo lo que está aquí va a encontrar la forma de seguir. Pero nos corta la. So I have that. So here, I don't have a plant. Put another plant here. Another plant acá también. There's a lot here also. I'm gonna cut it right here. From here. I'm also gonna add this as a como un clon. One is gonna go there. This plant. We have this. With no growth right now. Seedlings here. It has some growth. Things are clean, but I have no plants. Because if that's what it takes, this is what happens when you go out of town. I like how it looks, even though there's no plants. I like it. It gives you that hope to wait for. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's good. Plant. At least it has growth here. This one. So because we want everything to become bushier. Como quiero que todo más se transforme más en más arbusto, que tenga más ramas abajo que arriba, because I don't want it to get super tall, porque no quiero que se vuelva muy alto. I'm just sacrificing everything that I have right now on plants, on growth, on greens, on leaves, on branches, on flowers, and fruits. Estoy sacrificando todo lo que hay en plantas, en flores, frutos. And if I'm successful with the clones, si los clones dan resultado, I won't lose a lot of growth. Vamos a dejar estos, tratar de cortarlos estos bien chicos, no por el chico. Vamos a tratar de dejarlos de tamaño, no sé, eso no es tan grande para poder ponerle los gusanos. So we can add them to the worms, and they don't take forever. All right? So we have 1, 2, and 3 plants. Well, we have this first. This is the hydroponic. It's a big root in here that we don't need. Probably half of it is on the other tree. There we go. So, yeah, so this is it. Just cleaning this garbage is gonna be too hard. Just like this. Yeah. I doubt it, but this goes again. So we're just gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now we're just gonna grab one of these clones and there. And then we have to chop that up. Now we're gonna do the same for this. Just grab a clone, do this, and then this also have to be. We also need to make this one here. There. Okay. This. That was a big root. Holy fuck, it feels like a turd. I shouldn't be doing it because it's a little bit toxic, but I have to wash my hands so I don't get a rash. This will need to be. So this one right away. That's good. Okay. So this is, if you don't know it, si no conocen esto, this is called the Kratky method. It's also el método Kratky. It's a pretty clean method. This water already has nutrients, by the way. It's not just I top it up with water, but it has nutrients already. Here we have this is a bunch of plants. It's not just 2, right? Because this may not make it. We're not completely sure about that, but and one right here, and we'll see if one of those make it, and a third. And if they all make it, then I'm fucked, and I will have to move them somewhere else, or at least we clean the tomatoes, limpiamos los tomates, and now we just have to clean. And I'll probably go work on the other section of tomatoes. So I'll see you there. Nos vemos después. Chau.